Today we are going to set up our Netgear AC750 range extender using the WPS method. The first thing you need to do is take your extender out of the box and connect it with the AC power outlet. Wait till the extender is successfully booted up and the light on the extender in green. This process might take a couple of minutes. Once your Wi-Fi range extender is fully booted up, it's time to click on the WPS button the extender, and the extender WPS indicator light will start to blink. Once the extender WPS light is stable, that means the extender had successfully connected with your router device. You can open your web browser, and if Google appears, that means you have successfully set up your Netgear range extender. Now power off your extender and move your extender to the desired location and you're done. Enjoy the seamless connectivity through your home or office. In case if you are still facing any issue with your Netgear range extender device, get in touch with our Netgear range extender experts for instant solutions. Thanks for watching our video, and do not forget to like, share and comment on the video, so that you never miss any video from our channel.